Welcome, citizen of the planet. Person sitting there in their dinner suit, romper suit, pyjamas, whatever else keeps you comfortable of a Monday evening or whenever you watch this. Hello, welcome back. This posting every Monday thing seems to be working out. I've gone viral in the sense of 30 people being viral. I'm really confused about this YouTube algorithm. I used to get quite a few viewers. Not, we're not talking Mr. Beast, but we are talking, for me, 100 or so viewers per video. Now I'm getting about 30. I'm confused. I'm confused. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'm cooking largely for me, and hopefully you're getting something out of it. There's been about 20 extra subscribers recently, all thanks to my lovely wife, who seems to be bullying everyone she meets into go and sign up to my husband's channel. It's great. Well, I hope the extra 20 or so viewers are enjoying this and, stick around for some more. I've done over 100 recipes and there's 200 or 300 at least in my notepad ready for doing. So, anyway, what am I doing this week? This is one of those, if you've ever been in your local supermarket and seen those rotisserie chickens and thinking, can I do with that? Other than, just eating it and putting it on sandwiches. I'm making a chicken and mushroom soup with the rotisserie chicken, and it really is, chicken and mushroom soups are not really high on my list of things to do. They kind of be a bit bland, but the rotisserie chickenness, the fact that it's a roasted chicken rather than you're cooking it in the pan, adds something to it. It adds a bit of zzz. So yeah, I enjoyed this, and I've thrown some spinaches as well to make it a little bit more healthy. There is cream, so we're not talking Slimmer's World or whatever it is these days, but it's nice. It's fairly healthy. Let's get on with it. Okay then, what's on today's board of goodness? Fairly simple one. We have a rotisserie chicken straight from the supermarket. We have 1 onion. We have about 4 cloves of garlic. A couple of teaspoons of fresh thyme. Get those off the stalks, and you just want the leaves. 120 grams of spinach. 500 grams of mushrooms. 2 celery stalks. A litre and a half of chicken stock. A little sprinkle of chili flakes, and cream is entirely up to you. I'm going to put in about 100 ml of cream. If you just want to splash, if you want to leave it out, it's entirely up to you. I like a bit of cream in this. It's nice. Cream of chicken and mushroom soup. It's a fairly simple idea. Using the rotisserie chicken. Right, let's get on with it. Well, let me turn the light on. How would I, wouldn't it? Yay, the light. Let light come to be. Right, we start with our onions and our celery. And we're going to cook these down for about 5 minutes. Soften it up as the base of the soup. Right, 5 minutes. So, what I did forget to say, for I was rudely interrupted by me frying onions and celery, is do your prep. Because it will take you 10 minutes to get the meat off the chicken for a start. And it'll take you a couple of minutes to chop your onions, and then a couple of minutes to chop your mushrooms and your garlic and stuff. So do your prep beforehand. Because the whole thing is going to be 25 minutes, not the most, I would have thought. So yeah, do your prep. Right, 5 minutes in. Let's add the mushrooms. Turn the heat down a little bit so that nothing burns. But yes, cook the mushrooms. Probably 5, 6, 7, probably about 7 minutes for this. They will melt right down. So, 7 minutes. 7 minutes in, the mushrooms have gone right down and they're in their own juices, which is good. Nice bit of juice. I'm going to throw in my fresh thyme. And I'm going to put in the garlic. Minced garlic rather than chopped. And this is going to be another minute or two. Oh yes, that looks and smells incredible. Garlic and mushrooms, woo, with onions and woo. Right, my litre and a half of stock. This will bubble away for another 5 minutes. Simmering away at a good old turn because you want to reduce this liquid just a little bit. I'm going to go in now with the spinach. Roughly chopped, different sized bits of spinach. Some will melt, some will not. I'll give that another 2 or 3 minutes. You actually, if you just wanted a cream of chicken and mushroom soup, don't bother with the spinach. I'm adding it in because A, it tastes really nice, and B, it's kind of good for you. So I don't think it takes away, I think it adds something. But if you just want to do a chicken and mushroom creamy soup, then, you know, leave the spinach. It's not necessarily, the dish will not die without the spinach. La la la, it will be just what it is. Anyway, yes, a couple more minutes. While that's cooking away, pop in a few chili flakes. Again, this is not necessary for a plain chicken and mushroom soup. It is in this soup. So if you're following this soup, chili flakes. If you're not following this soup, you're doing your own thing, don't chili flakes. 1 minute. And then the cream. Again, this is entirely your taste. I'm putting in about 100 mils, which is about a third of this tub that I have here. The tub is 300 mils, so a third of it will be 100 mils. Give that a good stir around. Ooh, nearly dropped my spatula. Yes, doesn't need any minutes. We are going to go in with the chicken now. Now I've roughly chopped these and I've left the skin on some pieces because there is plenty of flavour in that there skin. So where are we? I think we're about done. So a couple of minutes for the chicken to warm back up. And I think we're going to be close to serving. You can add some corn flour if you want to thicken this. But I think another minute or so of reducing the liquid will be fine. Again, if you want it thicker, corn flour. And there we are at the end. I did end up putting a couple of teaspoons of corn flour in there to thicken it up because I didn't want to cook it for too much longer because then it would start ruining it. So I did add 2 teaspoons of corn flour, a little bit of water, a little bit of corn flour, mix it in, then throw it in. Don't just throw corn flour in because it'll lump. But anyway, that is, ooh, let's have a taste at the finishing line. Oh, that is a completely gorgeous chicken and mushroom soup with a side order of spinach and chili flakes. Tastes really, really nice. Right, next time, bye.